Every fall, the tourists go home, students return to school, leaves change color, and these fantastic fish come to the Farallon Islands to feast on seals and sea lions. And they're not alone. Many marine mammals, birds, and insects also visit our neighborhood, either settling in for the winter or just passing through on their way further south.
Humpback whales, blue whales. The gray whales are beginning their migration in the fall. They start up in Alaska and they head south down to their breeding and calving areas off of Mexico. And they make the longest migration of any mammal, about 10 to 12,000 miles round trip. Basically, they're following their food source. So as ocean waters warm up, plankton blooms happen, krill come in to feed on the plankton, and then the larger marine mammals come in to feed on the krill and the fish that are attracted to those blooms.
The Bay Area is also a funnel for bird migrations. Hawks, vireos, warblers, tanagers, and grosbeaks will follow the wind uplift along the ridge lines, which end at the Marin Headlands. They're heading from their summering grounds in the mountains or Alaska towards Southern California for the winter. And you can help scientists study these migrations.
We have Hawk Watch, which deals with hawk migration from the north to the south. And since hawks don't like flying over water, they basically get funneled right to the point above the Golden Gate Bridge in the Marin Headlands. And so there's a group of volunteers that go and they actually record for about 6 hours a day all the hawks that they see as they fly over the Golden Gate Bridge during their fall migration. If hawks aren't your thing, there's also migration work you can do with a program called eBird. Beyond birds, there's also the Monarch Watch and the Monarch Larva Monitoring Project. And finally, there's a really cool project called Journey North. It's available for anyone, and they ask people to make observations of things like butterflies and hummingbirds and robins and eagles and whales, because all those things migrate.
Just like the great white sharks, these fierce predators will head toward Hawaii when the winter comes. Maybe we should follow their lead.